Guys, remember I was in London last month for the launch of the new iPads? Well, the new M4 iPad Pro and the new M2 iPad Air are here in Malaysia. So let's do a quick video to unbox them now. What's up guys, Jason smashpop here. So I have here with me the 1TB 11-inch iPad Air M2, okay? And I also have here the 2TB iPad Pro 13-inch M4. So it's time to unbox now, let's go. So I hope you guys enjoyed the very chill unboxing, okay? And here we have the 11-inch iPad Air powered by the M2 chip. Now, as you know, okay, the iPad Air comes in two sizes now. This is the 11-inch and it also has a bigger version which is 13-inch, okay? This is also the new color, blue, and it also comes with a few other options like purple, starlight, space gray, okay? And another thing that I want to talk to you about is the camera. Now the camera is on the side, so they call it the landscape camera. So when you're holding it like that or when you put it on the desk, when you FaceTime, the camera is right in front of your face and it's perfect. Now when it comes to the iPad Pro, okay, the first thing that everyone wants to talk about is how thin it is. Now this is the 13-inch iPad Pro M4 and it's 5.1 millimeters thin. And for the 11-inch one, it's actually 5.3 millimeters, okay? And this one is actually the thinnest Apple product they have ever produced. It's thinner than the iPhone, it's thinner than the iPod Touch, it's thinner than everything else. It's even thinner than the Apple Pencil, okay? Now, other than that, as you can see, it also has a version called Nano Texture Display, okay? And it's only available for 1TB and 2TB like this one. Now the next one I want to talk about is the M4 chip, okay? So now the new iPad Pro is powered by M4 and is a lot faster than the previous generation. And same like the iPad Air, the camera now is placed on the side, okay? And it's also called the landscape camera. So now when you do FaceTime, you can also use center stage to frame yourself like that. Ah, very nice. So that was the unboxing of the M2 iPad Air and also the M4 iPad Pro, now available in Malaysia, okay? Stay tuned to my review in probably 1 or 2 weeks, okay? Because I'll be testing these guys and let you know whether they are really good and which version is best for you, okay? So if you love videos like this, don't forget to share this video with your friends, subscribe to this channel, look at the description below for information like specs and also pricing, and see you in the next video. Yo!